So I'm gonna add 2015 Subaru Crosstrek, and today I'm gonna show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, you should find this lever. You pull this to release the safety that keeps it shut. And then double check there's a cable here that's connected. If that cable's not there, you need to adjust that. Head up here and you should see that the hood's slightly loose now, so you can reach your fingers in. And from here, there's a lever right here. So we're gonna push and lift. So push and lift. And then this arm here. Sorry for the video quality, but now this arm is just holding it up. And here's where that lever was that I was pushing to release it. Double check nothing's bent or broken, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. Maybe spray some WD-40 if it's really stuck. Here's where it was hooked on to. Again, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment as well, because that could cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.